Bowling Green, Florida, located in Hardee County, has a rich history rooted in its pioneer origins and shaped by agriculture, industry, and natural resources. The area's story begins in the mid-19th century when it was largely an untamed wilderness inhabited by Native American tribes, including the Seminoles, and visited sporadically by explorers and settlers. One of the first notable settlers was A.M. Chester, originally from Bowling Green, Kentucky, who arrived in 1883. Chester established a homestead in the region, which at the time had only a handful of families, including those of N.M. Bryan and P.H. Peoples. The settlement was initially sparse, lacking schools, churches, or formal establishments. In 1886, Chester donated 40 acres of his land to the Florida Southern Railway, a pivotal moment that spurred growth. The railway's arrival connected the area to broader markets, transforming it from a scattered community into a burgeoning town. The name Bowling Green was chosen around this time, reflecting the influence of settlers from Kentucky, though Chester modestly declined having the town named after himself. The late 19th and early 20th centuries saw Bowling Green develop as an agricultural hub. Early settlers focused on stock raising due to the vast open ranges, with cattle, sheep, and hogs thriving in the region. The fertile soil also proved ideal for citrus farming, especially after the Great Freeze of 1894 to 1895 prompted growers to relocate southward from northern Florida. Oranges, grapefruit, and tangerines from Bowling Green gained a reputation in major U.S. markets. Alongside citrus, general farming expanded to include crops like corn, sugar cane, vegetables, and peanuts, supported by the area's high pine lands and hammocks along Paynes Creek and the Peace River. Phosphate mining emerged as another economic driver in the late 19th century. Large deposits near Bowling Green attracted industrial interest, and by the early 20th century, significant mining operations were underway, promising long-term prosperity. The Tampa Morning Tribune in 1909 noted the presence of 2 major phosphate plants, predicting more to come, which bolstered the town's economic outlook. The town's formal organization took shape in 1907 when it was incorporated, with a full slate of officials elected, including Mayor J.A. McCullum. By this time, Bowling Green had grown to include merchants, citrus brokers, and civic leaders, reflecting a vibrant, self-sustaining community. Education also progressed, with a junior high school established by 1909, serving 160 students. The 1920s brought the Florida land boom, leaving a mark with structures like the Green Hotel, built in 1925 on US 17, Oak Avenue. Though no longer a hotel, it stands as a testament to that era's optimism. Over the decades, Bowling Green maintained its rural character, with citrus, cattle ranching, and phosphate mining as economic mainstays, even as the broader region shifted. Today, Bowling Green remains a small, working-class community of about 2,463 people, as of 2024 estimates, known for its quiet charm and historical sites like Paynes Creek Historic State Park, which commemorates a 19th-century frontier fort and trading post. Its history reflects a blend of resilience, adaptation, and a deep connection to the land, shaped by its early settlers and the industries they fostered.